Hi, I'm Ella from Coco's Tea Party, and today I'm at Headmasters to learn how to create beautiful beachy waves.
One of the easiest ways to create beach waves is by doing a simple top knot in the hair. Or on shorter hair, doing 4 or 5 top knots scattered around the head and leave to dry naturally or even overnight. To get more control out of your look at home, I'd recommend using a tong or a wand and using sporadic size sections throughout the head. If you want beachy waves for a special occasion or an event, I'd really recommend booking in for a blow dry at Headmasters. That way you can ensure your style's really going to last the day.